So, this is how our complex sentences which are used, where the words which are the dependent words, as I said in the previous episode that we discussed, like after, while, and then now we came to though, although. Okay. These are the ones which now we will start using them in our complex sentences, how to frame them. Okay. So, so far what all we discussed, in the similar manner we also have other dependent words. Okay. We will continue with those words. So, in continuation of all that, now the next verse that we have is, if I say the hair dryer was not working properly. Okay. I returned it to the shopkeeper. This particular sentence, which all dependent words that we have, from that we will have to use how many dependent words we can use, we will try them. Okay? Suitable ones, and we will see whether they are supportive or not. Okay? Now, if I say this, the hairdryer was not working properly, I returned it to the shopkeeper. Okay? Same thing I can say, one I can use as. Okay? As the hairdryer was not working properly, I returned it to the shopkeeper. Okay? Use it with any other.
Because we can use.
We can use that because the hairdryer was not working properly, I returned it to the shopkeeper. So, now we can say, so this I can say, we can say the hairdryer was not working properly, so
I returned it to the shopkeeper.
To the shopkeeper. Now, if you take that so that, okay, that we can say, I returned the hairdryer as it was not working so that it will be replaced. I returned the hairdryer as it was not working so that it will be replaced.
This gives the same meaning to the both.
It's a different one.
That's what I am saying.
That's what. See, this one, because you use the word so, this can be treated to this till here. It can be taken as that. A different word used to join these two. Okay? But when it comes to this, I return the hairdryer as it was not working. Okay? Why did I return it? So that it will be replaced. So, I use it so that there. Okay? Now, it is a reason, it is an explanation. So, that will be a reason why this action is done. Okay? Now, if I want to use this so that.
So, ma'am, so also gives the.
So comes into what? So is used, he used it in the compound sentences, right? You can use it in this too, no problem. Okay? Now, any other word which we can use for this? Can you use any other word into this from the list that we have?
After, ma'am.
In order that.
Okay, if you use after, Already we completed that. If you use after, then how will this sentence be modified? These two
I
sentences.
returned it to the shopkeeper. After
And then
it was not working properly.
So the negativity will come there. This is what I wanted. Okay. So, after the hair dryer, we are getting the variety of sentences here. Okay, that is what I wanted. After the hair dryer stopped, we can say stopped working. After the hair dryer stopped working, I returned it to the shopkeeper.
using then also you
We can use.
can, when the hair dryer
Right. When the hair dryer stopped working, I returned it to the shopkeeper. When you are going with a variety of sentences, the meaning slightly changes here. Okay. Here when I say because this is not working, because it was not working, I returned it. These two are same. Okay. This one also can come into this. These three sentences are almost similar, but when you come to this, slightly the meaning changed here. When did you return it? After it stopped working. Here because it stopped working you returned, here it after it stopped working you returned. Okay. And when the hair dryer stopped working you returned. So, the meaning slightly changes. Okay. So, these dependent words which are there, those words when you use according to the situation you will be using them. Okay. So, these complex sentences which are here. So, as I already told you, you will have one principal one, that is one independent clause or independent sentence you will have. The other one is dependent on this. See, all these are you are getting it. When you are using these dependent words, you have one independent sentence and on that the other one is dependent. Okay. So, this is how you will be using it. Right, we will go to another word. Another sentence. Okay. Is this clear? Shall I clean this up? Okay. I washed the sheets. I washed the sheets and curtains. They look bright and clean.
I washed the sheets and curtains so that they looked bright and clean.
Right. I can say so that. I washed the sheets and curtains so that they look bright and clean.
They look bright and clean after I washed the sheets and curtains.
They means what? They means what? So you have to put the sheets and curtains.
Curtains look bright and clean after
I washed it.
Right, after I wash the sheets, okay, after I wash them, that way you can say. Okay. So, what happens here is based on this, it can come in the beginning of the sentence or it can come at the beginning of the sentence or in the middle of the sentence. So, when you are bringing it, this shows how one is dependent on the other one. Okay. Right. You can say the plumber repaired the taps. We can take shower.
The plumber repaired the tap so that we can take shower.
So that we can take the shower. Okay.
We can take shower after the plumber repaired the taps.
Okay. Any other?
We can take shower because the plumber repaired the tap.
Right. We can take
shower when the plumber repaired the
Right. So here you can also use. Now another one came is when. We can take shower when the plumber repaired the taps. Okay.
Ma'am, we can use whenever also.
Yes, but whenever is it gives you a different meaning, right? Okay, fine. Okay, that way. So this is how your usage is. Okay, very quickly we'll try it with one sentence for each one. Okay, what all we have, we'll just try out with one sentence. So you can say whatever. You take whatever. Okay, whatever. Whatever we do, we should prove ourselves successful. Or we can say
I will work hard, whatever
The situation.
difficulties I may face.
whatever difficulties I face, I will
Complete the work.
complete, right, I will complete the work on time. Okay. Then, okay, so here this one we can say now, or I will complete the work whatever difficulties I face, or you can also use this with whenever.
Whenever
Difficulties come to us, whenever difficulties come to us, we should face them. Okay, whichever.
Whichever the situation is.
Whichever target is set, one should achieve it. Okay?
whichever shirt you like it, you buy it.
Buy it.
Right, whichever shirt you like, you can buy it. Okay, that way it goes. Next, then whose?
APJ Abdul Kalam, whose books are very inspirational.
Right. Okay. We can say APJ Abdul Kalam's books are inspirational. No, but this sentence with whose, we can say you have to combine them. Two sentences should come. Okay, we'll take it this way. If we use this, all this can come in the form of a question. Whose books are these, we can say. Okay.
Ma'am, I read Abdul Kalam's books, whose books are very inspiring.
Then we can use that. Okay. I read many books of APJ Kalam, whose books are very inspirational, or which books are very inspiring, we can say. Okay, this way we can use it.
Before I said we have to add one more sentence.
No, we have to add, yeah. Two sentences should be there where we have to add them. Here, I read many books of APJ Kalam. Okay, his books are very inspiring. So there I said whose books are very inspiring. There I used. Okay, then we can use this unless.
Unless corruption moves out of India, India will not develop.
Right. Unless corruption moves out of the country, any country we can say. Okay. Unless corruption moves out of the country will not develop or progress. Okay, this is how we can use it. So, then did we finish with even though?
No, ma'am.
Okay, even though we will say
Even though she sang well, she did not get the prize.
Right. So, though, even though, although these things which are there, that comes under this. Even though her performance, even though her performance was good, she couldn't succeed, or she couldn't win, we can say. She couldn't win a prize. Same thing you can put it with although. You can also use though. Okay, same thing. Okay, first we'll try with if, and then we'll go with even if. I will succeed in my life if I plan and execute well. Okay, I can say this. Okay, I will succeed in my life if I plan and execute well. Okay, even if. What is this if coming as now? If is coming as a kind of a conditional. If I do that, then this I will succeed. Now, even if I plan well, I will not succeed. Even if I plan well, I will not succeed if I don't execute well. Even if I plan well, I will not succeed if I don't execute
well.
Again, you can use.
So, this way when I say even if I plan well, even if in the sense it is coming as a conditional. If and even if almost the same, right. So, even if I plan well, if I plan well, I will do this. This one, even if I plan well, I will not succeed when if I don't execute it well. Okay, that way your even if is coming as a stress on something, you are stressing more on something that way. Next we have whose we finished, who, which we can also say. Okay, this he is the person he is the person
Who I referred.
who I referred. He is a person who I referred.
We can use whom I referred also.
Whom I referred also can be used. Okay. Okay. He is the person of inspiration who inspires all the youngsters. Okay. So, this is how your usage of your dependent words which are there, we are using them, and because these dependent words are there, the sentences which are there, one becomes an independent, one becomes a dependent. So, that is how we can join them into the complex sentences. Complex sentences are nothing but where you will have one independent sentence and the other one will be dependent on that. One or two subordinate clauses you will have which are dependent on that. Okay. So, this is how it goes with it, right. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.